Okay, Dr. Huebner here, Natural Transplants. I'm here with Koom. And Koom is here for a hair transplant today, and he's very nervous and excited at the same time. He told me when he came in. But Koom, tell me again, how old are you?
35.
35. And tell me about your hair loss. How old were you when you first started noticing?
Last 5 years.
Okay, so only in the fast, so basically when you were 30
Yes.
is when you first started noticing the hair. So before then you had a head of hair, you had a hairline.
Yes, I had a great hair. I started seeing the loss, but before I had a loss, but not a very severe one. But
Okay.
last 5 years I am seeing continuously a heavy loss.
Okay.
So
And
now I am like this.
okay, and then tell me about, the research that you did, looking into transplants, and then how you ended up here, because you're coming from out of town, I understand, right?
Basically, when I was working in Richmond, there was a doctor called Thomas.
Mm-hmm.
He was referring me like I was using a minoxidil and I had small surgery in my head. That was very minor, but he told me, like, when I asked about the hair dermatologist, he said that you're losing it, so you can think about hair plantations. Then I was thinking of doing the research, and he advised your name, and parallelly some of my friends did it with your brother, actually, in Baltimore.
Oh, fantastic.
Then I got the reference, and I just started just noticing your videos and people putting it up.
Okay.
And I was so okay, I thought, okay, it's a better place to do it, so
Okay.
I decided.
Well, thank you for coming in, and we'll make sure it's worth your while, and I can't wait to see your results. This is really going to make a big difference for you. So what we're going to do now is draw out Koom's hairline, and then we're going to be following him throughout the day today to kind of show people how this day was. So thanks again, Koom, for sharing your story, and we'll be following very closely. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Dr. Huebner, I'm here with Koom, and Koom has just completed his Hue procedure, and couldn't be happier. We got a lot of hair for him. As you can see, he has a reframed face already just with the grafts that we put in, but it's really going to reframe his face. I'm really excited to see what his final result is. But Koom, how was your day today? What did you think about the process and the day in general?
Yeah, it was great. It was not much painless. It was very painless. The staffs were really good, and they were very helpful. And I feel it's just like a normal day. I didn't feel any painful day.
What were you doing for most of the day? Were you?
I was watching movies, having snacks.
Yep, I think you even fell asleep for
Yes,
a couple of minutes there.
Yeah.
So, and your wife was in the room with you the whole time, so it was easy day, very comfortable. Right now, are you in much pain at all?
No, I don't have. I don't feel any pain.
Later on, the anesthesia will wear off, and he may need some pain medication or some ibuprofen. But generally, the pain is very, very minimal. It's just the anesthesia in the beginning. So, if you want to zoom in here, Jerry, coming closer, we can show people what we've done. You can see this nice staggered hairline that we've created in the front, the 1 and 2 hair grafts, and then behind here, multiple follicular unit grafts all the way around. So, yeah. Excellent. So thanks again for showing your story, Koom, and we really look forward. The next video is going to be one with you of hair, so really looking forward to that. And thanks again for showing other people what the experience has been like.
Thank you.
Okay. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.